cables.
The fans are saying it even. They're not paying attention to that. They're still ignoring it.
We have 2013 Honda Fit customer purchase on Android radio with a backup cam. I'm going to take the radio out. First step is to remove this panel below the radio. It comes out. Then we're going to open this, remove this. Squeeze this. I need somebody else doing it for me. Alright, so pull down the glove box, and there should be a cable for the heater control. Bottom of the radio, there is a panel here. Get a panel popper like one of these and remove this bottom panel. Maybe it's easier to do from the bottom up. Let me see. Start from this bottom corner. Put a panel popper and pop this bottom panel out. Okay, so once you have this bottom panel out, get a long extension. It's an 8mm. You stick it to the right side all the way up. You're gonna need about a 10-12 inch extension to reach up. To see it better, remove this glove box. You push this side inward to release the glove box out. I need 2 hands. So you push both sides in at the same time, and this entire glove box drops, and you can see it from here what you're doing. There's an 8mm straight up from this right hand side corner. To remove that, then the radio just slides out, pops out. Yep. It's kind of snug, but you just pry that entire face out, disconnect everything. Right, we found out we detached these cables. We didn't have to because that stays. So we're gonna put that back in. Okay, this is an Android radio customer purchased. Comes with a backup cam, microphone, harnesses, antenna adapter, and some manual. Doing a backup cam also. You're just gonna take the panel out. Just no screws. We just pop that whole panel out. This we got thing. This is a handle part. We pull this out first. What we're gonna do is we're gonna run wire through here. There is a snake. Route it up to here. And mount the cam on the back of it. Okay, so we're going to use a fish tool. I'll put the link on description. And you put the RCA power cable here and grab it and pull. So some WD-40 or any silicone spray, make it easier to go through. basically you're gonna run rod through here up to this point, and you're gonna run behind the license plate. So you pull down this side panel a little bit, and you can run down the wire. Wire all the way from the top section. There's a gap between the panel to the headliner, and you just sneak behind the panel and run it all the way to the front. Pull down this rubber gasket and run it like that. This is a DirectX website. It shows where the reverse wire is. You can either grab the reverse wire from the back, or under the fuse box, this plug right here. Backup sensor wire is the green wire here. There are two green wires right next to each other. Be careful, not the bottom one, the top one. Alright, this is under the hood. The reverse wire is this one right here. That's the green wire that I showed you online. Okay, so we're going to make a hole here and run the wire from here down and connect it to this.
Hey.
I'm going to remove all these air vent switches, transfer over here. You also have to remove these clips and transfer over to new one. The factory radio was held on with a 1/8 mil, but since this is just a flat panel, there is no way to do that. So it just using the factory plastic clips to lock in place.
I guess this one gotta go first. This one we just gotta plug it in and leave it inside. Shove
There's
it
no
in.
space for the indication for airbags. So I'm just gonna plug it in. Since there is no indication hole for it, so you're just gonna plug it in and just put it behind the face, because if you don't have this one, the SRS airbag light indication will pop on. So be sure to plug this back in and just bury behind it.
Sí, pero instalado. Solo es corriente tierra y mucho.
Basically plug in all the harnesses, no special way. What can I do for you, miss? You can also do a hotspot connection here. And once it's connected, you can go to web browser, YouTube. You gotta pair your Bluetooth first. Okay.
Duck. No, she's not here.
Y así nace otro menor más.
This new Android radio draws more power than the factory one, and it popped the 12 volt fuse. So we're gonna replace that. That right there, that empty one, who's got the probe on, that is the constant wire, constant fuse. We're gonna increase that to 20 amp.
I like this.
Okay. Okay, that, huh? Right. For the backup cam, you connect to the reverse cam input right here, and the pink wire is labeled as back. That's the reverse cam trigger wire. So you connect the red wire, which happens to be the reverse wire we ran from the fuse box. That gets power when you put it in reverse. That enables the power for the backup cam, as well as the trigger for the reverse wire.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna learn the steering wheel control. You press one of the buttons, then press and hold to learn it. You continue doing that. So when it's learned, it highlights yellow. And you hit save. Then let's go to video. See the volume. So that goes up and down. So it works. Works.
Okay.
Reverse.
The fans are saying it even. They're not paying attention to that. They're still ignoring it.